And we're back. New venue, not quite as rough and tumble as the last one, but one that should be just as much fun as it is really going to be the first test I've had using this bike at all with the Skydio. So without further ado,
my Skydio and me.
Where'd you go? Uh-oh. Looks like we're gonna stop here because we're pretty much out of batteries, everybody. All right, today was the first time that I took the Skydio out, not on my driveway, and on my motorized mountain bike. And I know the trail riding earlier wasn't that big, but boy, when I'm going around this parking lot and these light poles are coming up and the trees and the thing is just coming across the sky and then it suddenly banks over, it's like, ah! It's like a ninja in the sky. Man, words cannot describe it. It's very, very exciting for me to watch, and I hope it was exciting for you to watch also. So anyway, until next time, thank you very much for joining me on this episode of My Skydio and Me, and I hope that you join me again for another something in the future. Thanks. Bye.